Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
What up guys, it's your boy Tips, back again here with another video. And today we're going to discuss the 5 Series guys. I know the internet has you to believe that all BMW drivers are all the same, but today I'm going to debunk this. Today I'm going to show you what the 5 Series guy is like, or what type of guy he's going to turn into. The 5 Series guy is not your average BMW driver. They demand the best. Whatever version they bought becomes the standard what a car should be. They have done their research and come to realize they have made the best choice, to the point that they need to tell everybody. A 5 Series guy is the type of guy who will make a whole YouTube video just to let you know that he bought a standard version of the 5 Series.
See that? See that? Slow down.
5 Series guy is the type of guy who doesn't have an Amazon Prime membership because he knows better. He knows the inner racer will come out of him when he's up late nights researching about your car. A 5 Series guy is the type of guy who always has one leg up in life. He's the type of guy all BMW drivers want to be. A 5 Series guy is the type of guy that can catch a dolphin.
You know how hard to catch a dolphin, bro? Do you know how smart a dolphin is, bro? They have a cerebral cortex 40% larger than a human. You know how hard that is, bro? They're around fishes all the time, and I can catch one. And I don't even fish. Wait.
The 5 Series guy is the type of guy who doesn't lie to kids.
Santa isn't real, kids. You know what you call a kid that believes in Santa Claus?
A Honda driver. A 5 Series guy is the type of guy that will get in a fight with your grandmother.
Why you gotta bring that up? Like, first of all, right, I didn't even know that was your grandma, right? And second, she is rude! Like, she gave me the finger for no reason. Yeah, I was tailgating her a little bit, but like, she needed to know that this is the 5, right? Like, gotta get on my way. And second of all, if she told you I kicked her, right? That's a lie, right? She was already on the floor and my door swung open and she fell, right? Like, you know what? I can't even talk about this because, like,
So there you go, now you know. Next time you see a 5 Series guy on the street, keep your grandma and your kids away from him. And if you happen to have a 5 Series friend that calls you in the middle of the night, asking you your Amazon Prime membership, tell him no, he'll thank you in the morning. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to I Earn the Tips. Catch you guys later, yo.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.